today I got this KingCraft robot battle set, and today we're going to be unboxing it and trying it out and using it for battles. Cool robots. I'm gonna go charge them and we'll be right back. A couple of things that I learned while the robots were charging was that these controllers can be controlled two different ways. With the buttons back here, or by using your hands, like right hand goes like this or left hand like this. Another thing is that the lights on their backs has health indicators, green all the way to red.
Now Joshua's gonna give it a try, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, go! Good job!
I'm winner!
So what do you think about this game? Is it fun?
Really fun!
Really fun? Do you give thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs this way.
Why?
Because it's a bit hard to control.
It would have been more fun if it was speed-based essential, huh?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Who's the winner?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.